In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import inventory items in Zoho Books. We'll start right from your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're signed in and the dashboard loads, you're in the right place to bring your product and service data into the system. This process is great when you're migrating from another tool or updating your catalog in bulk, and it only takes a few minutes once your file is ready. From the left-hand menu, open the Items module. This is where all your products and services live. If you track stock, the items you import can update inventory levels. If you don't, they'll simply be added as non-inventory items. Take a second to confirm you're in the right organization if you manage more than one, since imports apply to the organization that's currently active. In the items list, look toward the top right corner for the three dots More Actions button. Click that to reveal additional options specific to items. This is where Zoho Books keeps the bulk tools you won't use every day but need to access quickly when you do. Choose Import Items. That opens the Import Wizard, which guides you step by step. First, select your file. Zoho Books typically supports CSV and spreadsheet formats, and it also provides a sample template you can download. Using the sample is the easiest way to match the required column names and formats. Common columns include item name, SKU or item code, unit, selling price, purchase price, tax, and, if you track stock, opening stock, and an opening stock date. Make sure your tax names, units of measure, and currencies match what you've already set up in Zoho Books, and keep your date and number formats consistent throughout the file. After you upload, you'll see a field mapping screen. Here, confirm each column in your file maps to the correct Zoho field. If the system doesn't auto-detect a column, choose it manually from the drop-downs. Pay close attention to identifiers like SKU and item name because they often control how duplicates are handled. Next, you'll be asked how to treat duplicates. You can usually choose to skip, overwrite, or create new records. Pick the option that fits your situation and review any additional settings such as character encoding or delimiter, if shown. Before you finalize, use the preview to spot problems like missing mandatory fields or mismatched taxes. When everything looks good, start the import. Zoho Books will process the file and show you a summary with successes and any rows that need attention. If there are errors, download the error file, fix the highlighted rows in your source file, and run the import again. That's it. Dashboard, items, more actions, import items, upload and confirm. Pause the video and follow along, and you'll have your catalog in Zoho Books in no time.